Welcome to Year 9 Japanese Lesson 3. In today's video, you're going to learn how to say what you can do in Japanese. Specifically, talking about what language you can speak. I know we can all speak English, and for some of us, we might be able to speak another language for those of us who are born overseas or might have parents who are born in another country. And hopefully, by the end of this course, you're all going to be able to speak some Japanese. As with all languages, and Japanese is no exception, there's a certain structure that you need to follow. And the structure that we need to follow here to say what you can do is ga dekimasu, with the thing that you can do coming before in this gap here. For example, we have watashi wa from the previous lesson. Watashi wa, so the topic, as for me, what can I do? What can I dekimasu? I can nihongo. Nihongo meaning Japanese. I can speak Japanese. What are some other examples? Let's have a listen.
私は中国語ができます。
So in this sentence here, the speaker, she can speak Chinese. So instead of Nihongo from the previous sentence, we've replaced Nihongo with Chugokugo, which is the word for Chinese. Note Nihongo and Chugokugo both end in go. Go is a suffix that is added to a country to describe the language spoken by the people from that country. Remember, jin is used for nationalities as a suffix from the previous lesson. Likewise, go, right here, go is used to describe the language. Let's continue with number 2.
野田さんはフランス語ができますか?
So in this sentence here, we've got a few differences. We've got the standard dekimasu, ga dekimasu, and in front of that we have the language. But instead of watashi wa, we have nodo-san wa, because we're not talking about ourselves, we're talking about Mr. Noda. The other difference is the ending. This sentence ends in ka. And as we learned in the previous lesson, any sentence that ends in ka means it is a question. So instead of it meaning Mr. Noda can speak French, because it has ka at the end, this sentence means, can you speak French, Mr. Noda? How would you reply to such a question in the event that you're not able to speak French?
いいえ、できません。
いいえ、できません。いいえ is the word for no. Instead of dekimasu, we use dekimasen, which means can't. We'll learn a little more about how to form negative verbs later on in the year or in year 10. But for the time being, let's just learn the fact that dekimasen means can't.
Hi. 少しできます。
はい、少しできます。はい、少しできます。This here refers to a situation where you can speak a little. できます, yes, I can do it, but I can do it a little. And the word for a little in Japanese is 少し. Radio, that brings us to the end of Lesson 3, talking about what language you can speak.